So you know in our house how we have kids of all different sizes. This guy, he loves his little brother so much. Look at him, he looks like he's stealing it from down the road. Oh. So in this town, as everywhere else, people just put stuff out by the road as like, hey, come and get it. Jack found this little thing that you can push around. It's like a Melissa and Doug toy. He went and got it for Georgie. Look at that! Hey, we're experts at that. Find it and fix it, huh? Bring it in. Good find, buddy. She blocks. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, Jack saw it has a little loose screw, and we just happen to have an Allen wrench here. Oh, good job. You take a look at it and be the fixer guy for him, okay? I'll take a look at the vacuum. My job today is the vacuum cleaner, and which one is it going to be? Oh my gosh. So, I have a Hoover, and of course, I couldn't find the model number on any of these bags matching my model number. So, there were 5 available. And the one said like for bagged, so I didn't try that. But there was a wind tunnel 2. This was the trouble, is this. So I didn't know. And the belt stretched and snapped because we sucked up a baby sock, which prematurely wore this out. I just couldn't believe it. Look at that. It's just a belt. There's nothing in there. No cords. A little bit of fabric. So we got to see what we can do about getting this one matched up. So I'm going to open some up. I hate opening a bunch of stuff up to try to find the right one. It drives me crazy. It feels like it's going to be that one. These all feel pretty small. And this one says it fits a wind tunnel and a wind tunnel 2. But look at this. Wind tunnel, except self-propelled, and mine is not self-propelled. Wind tunnel 2 bagless. Wind tunnel T-series. Wind tunnel self-propelled. Okay, so we know it's not that one. Wind tunnel, just wind tunnel. Ugh. This is the part that drives me nuts. This thing pops out all the time, the HEPA filter. It does not stay in. Otherwise, it's a good vacuum. This part, though, never loses suction, is a joke. I have a Rainbow. It never loses suction. All right, so we are going to try this one. Style 065. And this is from Fresh Solutions. It says number 70942. So I picked this up at Menards, and each of these were about $5 a piece. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to go back and do some returns. So sometimes the videos do get a little random, don't they? It's just the way it goes. My little guy, I just got him back and I'm about losing him, took off with my little screws for the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. So I took some time to clean out under here and where the brush roller was. We had recently steam cleaned the carpets with my Bissell steam cleaner, and I think the boys vacuumed it too soon, so there's a lot of wetness up in there making the dirt accumulate. So this is my old belt, and so you know if it's going to fit or not, you can wrap it around. We really didn't have the number. I should have thrown it in my purse or something, but this just says right side out. It does not have a number. The new one says HV65, so Hoover 65. There's something on here that says Hoover belt. So we're going to wrap it around here, see if it's about the right size, and keeping in mind that belts can stretch, and that's what causes them to break. So we've got just about the same size here, same width. So we're going to slip this on here you can put it on the spindle first or on the roller. So this is the underside of the vacuum cleaner with the roller assembly taken out. This spindle right here is where you are going to hook the belt onto. And it's pretty simple. You don't have to do a lot of deconstruction. It doesn't hurt to have long fingers and enough light, because I am working in the basement and it helps to hold the belt like that to get it on there. Now this is the vacuum we bought, backup vacuum, for our old house when we were moving, instead of taking a vacuum back and forth, because with kids there's vacuuming to do nearly every day. And just on here this goes. So see, we got, yeah, just enough tension on there. Slide that down into its bracket. Watch your fingers. Do the same thing on this end. There you go, see? That'll seem to work just fine. So, always put your belt guard back on, your roller cover guard, because this could just pop right back out. It just goes right back in there. And I didn't show you the disassembly because I didn't think it was going to be a big deal. At the time I thought there was just a sock in there, but it's just screws here and here, and another one here. So it looks like baby is still missing 2 more screws from me because he only brought me 4. So for now, I'll make sure I get the corners all set up here, and I'll look around for my others. These are a special flat screw with a very coarse thread. By coarse thread, I mean they're very spaced out, and you can generally find these. There we go. The reason I got this vacuum is I really like how easy it is to carry this around by the handle and to go up and down the basement steps. So eventually the idea is that this would be my basement vacuum. But one of the things that I don't like about it is what you just saw. It has an automatic rewind, and it doesn't always go well. Well, it's sucking, and it sounds like the belt's rolling. See how well it'll clean up.